Hey you guys, so today we're going to be cleaning out my sister's car. They just got back from a little trip and there's a whole lot to be cleaning in there. So let's get started on this because it's a really hot and sticky day, but it definitely needs to be done. So let's see what we're starting with.
It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you, drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking. If it's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. I try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat. Your lips against a red cup makes me lose my mind completely. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking. It's a shot of love, baby, I adore you.
So next I'm going to pre-treat the car seats with my Grove stain remover, and we're not entirely sure what was spilt on here, but my sister said that it has been there for a very long time and it's been underneath one of the car seats. So she has no idea what it is. So I'm just kind of doing what I can to get rid of it. So I'm going to pre-treat and then continue cleaning out the rest of the car and then come back with the steam cleaner to see if I can get it out of the seat. And I really like this Grove cleaner. I think it smells really nice. I'm not sure it's as effective as maybe like an oxygen whitener or some of those really nasty chemical like Resolve, like that kind of thing. So I would definitely say those probably work better, but the ingredients in this are better for you and they're not so toxic to be breathing, so it's kind of a this or that situation.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you, something about you I like.
I could stop pretending that I wanted this to happen. I could just say it, say how I feel now. But my tongue is like a wall, keeping words safe in my heart. I can never say that, but I get too far in my thoughts. They take me back to the start, what we were, like we're still all good. I get too far in my thoughts. They take me back to the start, what we were, like we're still all good. You know I miss you the most when I'm lonely.
So aside from all the vacuuming that needed to happen, this was the most satisfying part of the entire video. I love using the steam cleaner, and although it did not get the 100% of the stain out, it did such a good job cleaning the seats. And then afterwards I went back and I sprayed some hydrogen peroxide on them, and you can hardly even see anything on the seats at all. But I'm just going to let you guys watch as I clean the seats, because I know that's a really, really fun thing to watch. So enjoy, and thank you for watching this video, and I hope it kind of motivated you to get your car clean for the summer. And thanks for watching.
I'm all alone in my hotel room. I'm getting drunk on booze from the minibar. I wonder what you're up to. I shouldn't call you up, I know your number by heart. I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know. You are the stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door, the girl next door. The stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door. I know you're miles away from me, but still I dream of you and say your name in my sleep. Tell me, isn't that crazy? Just wanna call you up and tell you how I feel. I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know. You are the stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door, the girl next door. The stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door. You're the girl next door, yeah. Girl next door, yeah. Ooh. You're the girl next door, yeah. Girl next door, yeah. I'm drunk in room 308, and it's getting kinda late. I wish I could just call you up. I'm alone in room 308, yeah, are you awake? Wish I could call you, I'm gonna call you. You are the stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door, the girl next door. The stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door.
Okay. So I just got in from the car, and I took all the car seat pieces, the gross car seat pieces, off of the two toddler car seats, and then the bigger, like, booster seat kind of car seat. And normally I would soak them in my Molly Suds oxygen whitener, but I got this sample from Influencer. So I'm going to be trying this one out from OxyClean and see if it gets out a comparable amount of junk that the Molly Suds does, because this is all natural. And it's got better ingredients. So we'll see the difference, and hopefully either way we get some really sparkling clean car seat covers out of this. So I do not have an after shot of the car seats clean and in the car, because after I finished washing and drying them, there was a gigantic monsoon thunder lightning storm happening, and I was not going to crawl myself into the car to put these back in, because also there's no room to film inside of the vehicle. So I will post a picture on Instagram, so make sure you follow me over there and you can see how well the car seats came out. The OxyClean got everything out of them, and it worked really well, but also the Molly Suds got everything out also, so nothing was cleaner than the other. They both worked really well. And like I said, all I needed was some clean car seat covers. So I'm excited about that, and I will get them put back on the car seats tomorrow, And I don't know, there's just something about having a clean car that just feels really nice. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.
I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on